Oh, there we go. It's Monday. It's our first official day. Bastards broke our door, so we're going to try to weld our door closed. Anyway, got the Gladiator in. We started cleaning up the Gladiator, gave it a wipe down, started unpacking the booth, got all the trucks in here, starting to unpack everything, decide where everything's going. We're making some big changes here. This still has to be unpacked. And of course, I need my welding machine, which is in there somewhere. So it's going to be a joy. Because we've got no plugs for the big welders yet. The electricians list can put big plugs in so that we can use the big welders. Alright, so this is like day 2 for me and Arno. We are busy unpacking this, getting the trucks in. Got our man Charlo over there helping us clean. There's Mossy looking all spliffy. Mossy! And then we're in the process of unpacking this spray booth because we still have to paint and clean the booth when we're done here. We're going through all our stuff, getting all our stuff back out, getting all the engines out. A lot of work to still do, but we're making progress. So yeah, this is not the permanent place for anything, but we've started unpacking the spray booth, cleaning the things as they come out. Charlo's upstairs cleaning our stairs for us. And yeah, I'm just busy unpacking, stock taking, inventory, cleaning all our stuff, getting all the seats ready to go to the interior guy. But yeah, progress. Got one shelf up there. Busy now. Spray booth is almost done. Well, almost halfway. I've grabbed it in a very bad place. Alright, it's a day I don't even know anymore. It's like 3, 5, 10, 12, 60, 90, who knows. We've got most of the spray booth out now, one more shelf to go. Trucks are here, piles of crap over there. Got the engine shelf going again. Slowly starting to take shape again. All right, this is like Thursday or something. All I know, Trump won the election, so that's what day it is anyway. So there we go, just for Arno, because I know he'll be happy. We are basically in the process of getting rid of all this stuff, and we are almost moved into the shop. We are hoping that by Monday we will be operational again. The spray booth is almost finished, cleaned out. We're gonna get it repainted this weekend. We have got some of the shelving back up. Down this side here, some of the motors are back out. We've got some shelving going up down this side here. And then by next week, we'll have everything reshuffled and ready to work. But there we go. That's where we're at right now. It's been a hell of an experience. Don't want to repeat it. Well, we made some progress. The booth is officially empty. Busy sweeping now, cleaning, getting ready to paint it. Got a boat here with Tommy. Helping him out. They're coming to wrap a boat here tomorrow, so we let them put it here. But as you can see, progress is being made. Packing up shells, things going back where they must belong. And there we go. Where did that little guy go? Are you having fun?
Oh.